The moment we've been yearning for is upon us. In just 2 days, on 17 October, we will flood the streets of Harare to reclaim our dignity from the corrupt and indifferent regime. For those in other cities such as Bulawayo, Masvingo, Mutare, Gweru and others who cannot travel to Harare, protest from wherever you are. Your voice matters. Zimbabwe cannot afford another day with Emerson in office. Salamina Zvadhakwa na Bombshell Giza in yesterday's address. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina una mobile Chinzi. Constitutional basis. Under Section 212 of the Constitution, the Zimbabwe Defense Forces are duty bound to protect the nation, its people, and its interests. Similarly, under Section 219, the Zimbabwean Republic Police are tasked with protecting life and property, upholding the law, and maintaining peace and order. The same constitution grants the people the right to protest peacefully. In the military and police, we plead you not only to respect the democratic right of citizens to protest peacefully, but also to ensure their safety. We look up to you, united in this cause. Our demands. On 17 October, Zimbabweans, let us rise as one. Our message is clear. An end to corruption with impunity, an end to state capture and abuse of office, an end to mutilation of our constitution. Emerson must go, and Rugananda and other corrupt individuals must be arrested. Roadmap for action. Gathering point. We will assemble at Africa Unity Square, not Robert Mugabe Square, as previously announced. March to residency. We will march to the residences of identified corrupt individuals to demand citizens' arrest. Editor's note: the specific address will not be shared here for ethical reasons, but they include the residents in Borodale, Chisipite, Highlands, Lone, and Chisipite, Harare, associated with individuals such as Kudakoshtaguri, Wikino Chivayo, Scott Sapanya, Mtuni Nuve, George Gomatanga, John Manguchika, Chikoma Fume, Daniel Garwe, Liz Ngwaya. Additional addresses will be shared in due course. March to State House. On Saturday, we will proceed to State House to demand the removal of Emerson. We will remain on the streets until Emerson is removed from power. Doma shokota kwa na Bombshell Giza. Muri Zimbabwe, muri mafunguro enyu muri kudipa msero pe chitko ichi. Pinango message yemetu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.